Today's video is something quite different, something a little bit unusual. We wanted to see what would happen if we brewed a concentrated shot of coffee similar to that of an espresso strength. Now, we are by no means saying that we can make espresso style coffee on the Tricolate, because we just can't. There is no pressure that we can apply upon the coffee using this brew device. But due to its unique design, we can achieve really high strength coffee using espresso fine grind settings. Using 20 grams of coffee ground espresso fine, so somewhere in the region of 150 to 250 microns. Because the particles are so fine, it is really important that we try and declump it as much as possible. Again, using a WDT tool is really effective. Or, if you are crazy and you have too much time on your hands, using a flour sifter can also be a really good way of getting a fluffy grind. With the bloom, we're going to be using 45 mils boiling hot water and agitating once the water is through. We are going to let that sit for 1 minute, and then we top up the brewer to a total weight of 100 grams. A little agitation again on the drawdown, and the total brew time will be in the region of 6.5 to 7 minutes. You end up with all of the water going through and about 60 mils of concentrate left in the pitcher. As far as the roast profile is concerned, we have tried this using a lighter filter roast as well as a deeper, slightly darker espresso roast. We prefer the espresso roast as it gives us more balance in the final product. The lighter filter roast gives us an overwhelming amount of acidity and vibrancy, whereas the espresso tends to give for a fuller body, sweeter, more balanced experience. Either way, it's a super interesting experience. It's heavily textural, it's super complex, and really, really clean. We have had nothing but excellent tasting coffees sitting around the 8% TDS mark. We recommend that you try it. It's definitely not as quick or as efficient or the same as an espresso, but nevertheless, it's another dimension as to what is achievable on the Tricolate brewer. We hope that you enjoy these trick shots, and we hope that you enjoy brewing with Tricolate.